Hi everyone, want to turn 5G on or off on your Google Pixel for better signal or network control? I'll show you how step by step. Watch till the end. Open Settings on your device, then tap Network and Internet. Now select SIMs. After that, choose your active SIM card and tap Preferred Network Type. Now choose one of the following: 5G, LTE, 4G Auto, LTE, 4G only. Once selected, the change applies immediately. If you don't see a 5G option, make sure your carrier supports 5G. Without carrier support, 5G will not appear in settings. That's how you turn 5G on or off on Google Pixel. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your questions. Thanks for watching.